Sandhan. All Gujarat Integrated Classroom.
સેટેલાઇટના માધ્યમથી જોડતી કડી એટલે સંધાન.
Okay, good afternoon. Now we will start the physics session. Okay, હવે આપણે ચાલુ કરીએ છીએ. Now the today's topic and the subject is that Planck's hypothesis, or we can say the Planck's assumptions and the law of radiations. Okay, now let us start that. Okay, now આપણે બધે જાણીએ છીએ કે when the light is interact with a matter, okay, then it absorbs some amount of the energy and it radiates some amount of that energy. Okay, now the why we call it that as an, we can say there are certain assumptions we have find it out that in the classical theory which says that the radiations which will be emitted by the object, okay, is in the, we can say the doesn't follow that, we can say the electromagnetic radiation in the form of electromagnetic radiations. Okay, now there are some problems in the classical physics that you have already learned in the previous, we can say the lectures. Okay, now there are some problems which we have find it out in context to the classical physics, that there is a vastly difference that we have observed in the case of electrical resistance, also the resistivity, that's a temperature dependence on the metal, then photoelectric effect that cannot be explained by the classical physics. Okay, then there is a discrete. Okay, we have seen that the waves were we can say traveling in a continuous form, that we know that. Okay, but here that it is observed that there is a discrete we can say emission of that lines in the atoms that can be observed. Okay, also that speed of the light that cannot be, we can say the clearly that mentioned by this classical physics. Okay, and finally that black body radiations. Okay, that how that body will emit the light rays. Okay, so let us discuss this, what's, and we can say the black body radiation first, then when the we can say the light rays interact with the matter. Okay, એટલે હવે જ્યારે પણ લાઇટ પ્રકાશ જે ઇન્ટરેક્ટ થતો હોય મેટર ઉપર. ઓકે, નાઉ ધ ફર્સ્ટ ઇઝ એન, વી કેન સે ધ we can any object which we call it as an, it is hot. ક્યારે આપણે કહીએ છીએ કોઈ પણ ઓબ્જેક્ટ કે કોઈ પણ મેટર ગરમ છે. ઓકે, તો એક ત્યારે જ કહી શકીએ કે જ્યારે એનું ટેમ્પરેચર, ઓકે, ઇટ ઇઝ ગ્રેટર દેન ધ, we can say 0 degree Kelvin. Okay, and we just consider as an emission of the, and that emits we can say the electromagnetic radiations. Okay, and that body is said to be the hot. For example, we can say the lamp, we will provide that, we can say the potential across the fine coil, copper coil. Okay, and it will becomes after some time it is hot, ek garam thai jaye je. Okay, and finally we will see that it emits a lot of electromagnetic radiations, especially in the infrared regions. Okay, now what is that black body radiations? So the solid heated to very high temperature emits the, we can say the visible lights. है ना, એવું જરૂરી નથી કે કોઈ પણ બોડી કે બ્લેક બોડી રેડિએશન્સ હોય, જે રેડિએશન્સ એમિટ થતી હોય તો એ આપણે વિઝિબલ છે, એ આપણે એવું કહી શકાય કે ભાઈ એ દેખાતું હોય, એવું જરૂર નથી. ઇટ ઇઝ એન ઇનવિઝિબલ ઓલ્સો. ઓકે, so here that we have seen that the at very high temperature, whatever the color changes that we have observed in the case of black body radiations, okay, is an, we can say that at high temperature the emission color is whitish. Okay, એટલે white color નું generally દેખાતું આપણે ઉપર ટોપમાં જોઈએ છે. Okay, that the body is emitted heat energy. Okay, at low temperature the color is reddish, આપણે જોઈએ છે. Okay, we have seen at the, we can say our household when the gas is on. Okay, so at low pressure of that gas, okay, that the flame is we can say that reddish. Okay, when the temperature is high then we have seen that it's an whitish in color. Okay, and finally when that emission is there it will be disappear. Okay, so disappear નું meaning એવું નથી કે એ totally disappear એટલે environmentમાંથી નીકળી ગયું છે. Okay, so here we can say that it is present in the medium also. Okay, but it is invisible. Okay, and that's why we will treat it as an, that has an heat, because કારણ કે આપણને એક ગરમ લાગે છે. Okay, now what is that black body radiations? So observations that are says that આપણે એક એક્ઝામ્પલ લઈએ કે ભાઈ સનલાઇટ છે. ઓકે, that is incident, આપણે એક પેરાબોલિક મિરર લઈએ છીએ. Okay, when the sunlight is incident and on the back side there isn't, we can say any paper is there. Okay, then after some time it will emits the heat. Okay, so that's when material will be flare up and it will burn. So finally we conclude that, okay, we conclude that the material absorbs as well as it emits the radiations. So radiations are nothing but they are the electromagnetic, we can say, the waves. Okay, now here what is that black, we can say that all the objects at finite temperature radiates some electromagnetic waves. Okay, એટલે it emits the radiation. ઓકે, એટલે આપણે એવું કહી શકાય કે કોઈ પણ ઓબ્જેક્ટ હોય એ એક પર્ટિક્યુલર ટેમ્પરેચર ઉપર, ઓકે, that will emits the electromagnetic waves which we call it as an radiations. Okay, now object emits a spectral or it's an spectrum of radiations which will depends on the we can say certain temperature, what should be the composition of the particular material. Okay, એના ઉપર આધાર રાખે છે. Now for the classical point of view it is said that the thermal radiations originates from the accelerated charge particles. એટલે જે ચાર્જ પાર્ટિકલ્સ એક્સિલરેટ થઈ ગયા છે એ થર્મલ એનર્જી એટલે થર્મલ રેડિએશન્સ એમિટ કરે છે. ઓકે, now that is present in the we can say the these atoms and near the surface of that object. Also that black body is an object that absorbs all the radiation incident on it. है ना, એટલે એવું નથી કે જે બોડી હોય that it will, we can say the absorbs or it will emits. Obviously it is an, we can say that there is no 100% black body is observed. Black body means જે પણ લાઇટ રે એને ઉપર ઇન્સિડેન્ટ થાય. Okay, then it we can say the emits the radiation that we have seen that in the normal trend. Okay, પણ એવું નથી. Now in the black body whatever the amount of the light energy is incident on it, okay, so it will be absorbed 100%. Okay, so that body is said to be the we can say the black body radiation or the black body. Okay, now as we have seen that it the emission is universal. It means that it is independent of the nature of the object. है ना, એટલે જે એમિશન જે થતું હોય કે એબ્ઝોર્પ્શન થતું હોય that doesn't depend upon the any nature of that particular object. Okay, so black body it radiates, okay, but it do not reflect any waves. Okay, આ સમજી લો ખાસ કરીને એ રિફ્લેક્ટ નહીં કરતો, it will radiates. Okay, પહેલાં એક એબ્ઝોર્પ્શન થાય છે. ઓકે, સો કમ્પ્લીટલી એબ્ઝોર્બ થઈ ગયેલે આપણે એને બ્લેક બોડી રેડિયેશન કોઈ પણ વસ્તુ હોય, ઓકે, કોઈ પણ મેટર, ધીસ ઇઝ એન આઈડિયલ. ઓકે, આ કોઈ આપણે એવું નથી કે એની બોડી ઇઝ 100% વી કેન સે ધ બ્લેક બોડી. ઓકે, એવું અત્યાર સુધીમાં કોઈ પણ ફાઇન્ડ આઉટ કરવામાં આવ્યું નથી. યસ, બ્લેક બોડી આપણે કોને કહીએ છીએ કે જ્યારે કોઈ પણ રેડિયેશન્સ એના ઉપર પડતો હોય, ઓકે, દેન it will, we can say, the absorbs 100% of that radiations. All the radiations that will be absorbed by the body which is incident on it, it is called the black body radiations, and that's why it will not we can say the any radiates that energy. So આપણે એને black body કહીએ છીએ. Okay, now here that the black body radiation is nothing but is an electromagnetic radiations emitted by the black bodies. Okay, now there are no absolutely black bodies in the nature. Okay, as we have discussed, I told you earlier that એવી કોઈ બોડી બ્લેક બોડી નેચરમાં હજી સુધી આવી નથી. ધીસ ઇઝ આઈડિયલાઇઝ કોન્સેપ્ટ, है ना. આપણે ફિઝિક્સમાં જાણીએ છીએ કે દેટ ઇઝ વી હેવ સેટ ધ સમ રેફરન્સ પોઈન્ટ એન્ડ દેન વી વિલ એક્સપ્લેન ધ સર્ટેન થિંગ્સ. ઓકે, એને રેફરન્સ પોઈન્ટ બનાવીને પછી આપણે આગળની વાત કરીએ છીએ. ઓકે, સો અહીં બ્લેક બોડી એટલે કે there are the, we can say, the no absolute black body which is present in the nature. Okay, હા, પણ થોડાક એવા મટીરિયલ જોવા મળ્યા છે કે જેને આપણે એક બ્લેક બોડીના નિયરેસ્ટ કરી શકાય કે એપ્રોક્સિમેટ કરી શકાય. ફોર એક્ઝામ્પલ દેટ ધ કાર્બન બ્લેક વિલ બી દેયર પ્રેઝન્ટ હિયર. ઓકે, ઇન ધ વી કેન સે દેટ. સો કાર્બન બ્લેક જે એની અંદર જે રિફ્લેક્શન્સ જે કહીએ કે રેડિયેશન્સ જે એમિટ થતો હોય કે જે પણ લાઇટ ઇન્સિડેન્ટ થાય એમિટ થાય, દેટ ઇઝ વેરી વેરી લેસ દેન દેટ 1%. ઓકે, એટલે આપણે એને કાર્બન બ્લેક કહીએ છીએ અને બ્લેક કલરનું આપણે દેખાય છે. ઓકે, ધ ક્લોઝેસ્ટ ઓબ્જેક્ટ ટુ ધ આઈડિયલ બ્લેક બોડી ઇઝ એન કેવિટી વિથ સ્મોલ હોલ. ઓકે, એન્ડ યુનિવર્સલી શોર્ટલી આફ્ટર ધ બિગ બેંગ. અને જે આપણે યુનિવર્સની વાત કરીએ છીએ કે ભાઈ બ્લેક બોડી કહીએ છીએ, બ્લેક હોલ કહીએ છીએ. ઓકે, સો હિયર દેટ ધ બ્લેક બોડી આપણે કોને કહી શકાય કે ભાઈ આપણે ફોર એક્ઝામ્પલ દેટ વી વિલ દેટ એની ક્લોઝેસ્ટ ઓબ્જેક્ટ to an ideal black body is an, we can say, the cavity with a small hole, okay, that the entering radiation has little, we can say, the chance of escaping and mostly absorbed by the walls. Thus the, we can say, the hole does not reflect, we can say, the incident radiations. ઓકે, ઇટ વિલ એબ્ઝોર્બ્સ, એટલે કે આવું આપણે બનાવવા અહીં જોવામાં આવે છે ફિગરની અંદર તમે જુઓ કે એક બાજુથી પ્રકાશ, દેટ ધ લાઇટ રે, ઓકે, ઇલેક્ટ્રોમેગ્નેટિક રેડિએશન દેટ વિલ બી ઇન્સિડન્ટ ઓન એન્ટરિંગ ઇનસાઇડ ધ બોડી. Okay, now at every we can say the internal reflections, okay, that surface, internal surface, that will absorbs the radiations, okay, and that's why we can say that this body behaves as an ideal absorber, okay, and that's why that body which absorbs all the radiations, okay, it cannot emits, it only absorbs, okay, that's why it looks like an black. Okay, now we have seen that the total radiated power, okay, per unit area, okay, that is given by this following formula. The total power radiated per unit area, that's when we can say the intensity, okay, of the black body is given by this formula, that intensity which is dependent on the temperature IT integration 0 to infinite, okay, R tends to R dependent on that lambda T d lambda, okay. Now for the black body with total area is A, so its total power emitted at temperature T is given by that P of T of A into IT. So it's a traditional formula that power P is nothing but that's an area over which that intensity is incident, okay. Note that here that the SI unit of power is in watt, okay, and SI unit of that intensity is watt per, we can say, the square meter or meter square, okay, where A is an, we can say, traditional in square meter. Now let us introduce some idealized black body. હવે આપણે કઈ બોડીને આઇડિયલાઇઝેશન કે આઇડિયલાઇઝ black body કહી શકાય, ઓકે. સો ઇન રિયાલિટી ધ સ્પેક્ટ્રલ ડિસ્ટ્રીબ્યુશન ઓફ ઇન્ટેન્સિટી, એટલે જે આપણે બ્રોડ બેન્ડ ઓફ દેટ સ્પેક્ટ્રમ જોઈ શકીએ કે ભાઈ વિઝિબલ, ઇનવિઝિબલ, ઇન્ફ્રારેડ, આ બધા જે સ્પેક્ટ્રમ્સ હોય છે, okay. So in reality the spectral distribution of intensity of radiation of a given body could depend on the type of the surface, which may differ in absorptions and radiation's efficiency. That is, it is frequency dependent. This is very important. Nowadays till that we have learned that it is not frequency dependent. So here we can say that the body is in frequency dependent. So this renders the study of that origin of radiation by hot bodies, okay, that is case dependent, okay, which means there is no good, because that conclusion made based on the one body cannot applicable to other bodies that have different surface absorption characteristics, okay. Example, at same temperature the spectral distribution by exhaust pipe for an Proton, okay, GEN2 and the Toyota, okay, Altis is different, okay. Now what is that emissivity? It is another, we can say, terminology related to the radiation, okay. So has an strategy to overcome this non-generativity, we introduce an idealized black body which by definition that absorbs all the radiations which is incident on it and regardless the frequency, okay. Such an idealized body is universal and allows one to discard the precise nature whatever is radiating, since all the black bodies have an identically. તો એવું માનીએ કે ભાઈ આપણે જે પણ બ્લેક બોડીઝ છે they are identical in the nature, okay. Now all the real surfaces could be approximate to behavior of an black body via parameter that's an emissivity E, okay. It means that it's an ideally approximated that the value of that emissivity E is between 0 and 1, okay, which is a poor approximation, okay. Now black body approximation, here it has been said that okay, that the good approximation of a black body is a small hole leading to the inside of hollow object, okay. Hollow object means it has an internally that cavity is there and very small opening is there. So hole acts as an વી કેન સે ધ પરફેક્ટ એબ્ઝોર્બર, એટલે કે લાઇટ રે એન્ટર થાય છે પણ ત્યાંથી બહાર નીકળતી નથી. એટલે જે આપણે હોલ કહીએ ઇન ધ ફિગર યુ હેવ સીન દેટ ફ્રોમ ધ વન સાઇડ that the light ray is entering from the small hole. Okay, so that's why that hole is said to be the perfect absorber. Okay, and that black body is an, we can consider as an hole. Okay, તો આપણે black body જે કહીએ છે, okay, that itself body will be there and that hole is considered to be the black hole. Okay, and okay, any radiations which is striking in this hole, okay, એટલે જે ઇન્સિડન્ટ જે લાઇટ રે છે કે કોઈ પણ રેડિયેશન છે કે ઇલેક્ટ્રોમેગ્નેટિક વેવ્સ છે જે એન્ટર થતી હોય, ઓકે, ઇનસાઇડ ધીસ કેવિટી, ઓકે, સો દેટ વિલ બી ટ્રેપ્ડ બાય ધ રિફ્લેક્શન અન્ટિલ ઇઝ એબ્ઝોર્બ બાય ધ ઇનર વોલ્સ. એટલે આપણે ક્યારે એને કહી શકીએ છીએ એને બ્લેક બોડી કે that they will be absorbed by that inner walls. So all the radiation which is incident and that will be trapped, okay, that can be trapped by the reflections and ultimately is absorbed by the inner walls. એટલે અંદર ઇન્ટરનલી રિફ્લેક્શન ક્યાં સુધી થતું હોય આની અંદર ફિગરમાં તમે જોશો, ઓકે, લાઇટ રે ઇઝ એન્ટરિંગ ફ્રોમ દેટ વન ઓફ ધ હોલ, દેન ઇટ વિલ બી ગો ટુ દેટ મલ્ટિપલ ઇન્ટરનલ રિફ્લેક્શન્સ એન્ડ એવરી રિફ્લેક્શન ઇટ વિલ બી એબ્ઝોર્બ એન્ડ ફાઇનલી all the, we can say, the electromagnetic radiation is absorbed by the body. Okay, the walls are constantly absorbing and emitting energy at thermal, we can say, the energy band gap. Okay, now the nature of that radiations leaving the cavity through the hole depends only on the temperature of the cavity and not the detail of the surface nor the frequency of the radiations. Okay. Now essentially that black body in the thermal, we can say the EB, that absorbs, okay, and emits the radiation at same rate. Okay, now here that it is said that that hole which is considered as a black body, okay, effectively behaves like a black body, and because it effectively absorbs all the radiations which is incident on it. ઓકે, એટલે જે પણ એ હોલની અંદર ઇન્સિડન્ટ થાય છે that electromagnetic waves, okay, or the radiations, so that